What's up everyone, it's C's Adventures here, back with another video. And today we're going to be doing a sound test on the Hunt XC Wide Wheelset. So let's get started. So we're about 3 to 4 feet away here. Gonna crank it up, get you guys that sound. I will say it does sound a little bit different than the other Hunt wheel sets that I have, but you guys let me know if that's true or not. Check out my other videos on the Hunt Enduro Wides and the Trail Wides, but I think this one sounds just a little bit different, but let me know. I think it sounds really good. I believe it's still that same 5 degrees of engagement. To me, it does sound different. You hear more of that like metal sound. I don't know, it's weird. Let me know. Check out my other videos to compare, but I think this sounds really good. Absolutely love it. Hunt does a really good job on all of their wheel sets. Highly recommend them. But let's get a couple more clips of this hub. So that's going to conclude today's video of the Hunt XC Wide Wheelset hub sounds. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.